राजधानी दिल्ली में आयोजित 21वीं इकोनॉमिक समिट का थीम बिल्डिंग ब्रिजेस शेपिंग फ्यूचर्स पायनियरिंग पाथवेज फॉर 21st सेंचुरी ग्रोथ। पुलों का निर्माण भविष्य को आकार देना 21वीं सदी के विकास के लिए अग्रिम मार्ग था। नई दिल्ली में अमेरिकी दूतावास की डिप्टी चीफ ऑफ मिशन श्री जॉर्गन एंड्रयूज ने कहा कि अगर हम जलवायु परिवर्तन की इन समस्याओं को एक साथ हल नहीं कर सकते तो हमारी सामूहिक समृद्धि पर इसका गहरा असर होगा। मुझे लगता है कि हम मिलकर सरकारी स्तर पर और निजी क्षेत्र में उत्सर्जन को कम करने के लिए कई स्तर पर कुछ अद्भुत काम कर रहे हैं ताकि भारत को विकास और वृद्धि के लिए ऐसा रास्ता मिल सके जो वैश्विक जलवायु चुनौतियों को न बढ़ाए, साथ ही ये बदलाव अच्छे वेतन वाली ग्रीन जॉब्स पैदा करेंगे। मुझे पता है कि हम सभी ऐसा होते हुए देखना चाहेंगे। द्विपक्षीय संबंधों में विकास की तेजी को गति देते हुए उन्होंने कहा कि मजबूत और सुदृढ़ संबंधों ने दोनों देशों को लोगों को जबरदस्त लाभ प्रदान किया है। उनका ये बयान है कि पिछले सप्ताह अमेरिका में क्वाड समिट के दौरान प्रधानमंत्री नरेंद्र मोदी और अमेरिकी राष्ट्रपति जो बिडेन के द्वारा द्विपक्षीय वार्ता के तुरंत बाद आया। शैंडूज ने आगे बताया कि भारत अमेरिका कमर्शियल डायलॉग और सीईओ फोरम अगले सप्ताह अमेरिका में आयोजित किया जाएगा, जिसमें केंद्रीय वाणिज्य एवं उद्योग मंत्री श्री पीयूष गोयल, अमेरिकी वाणिज्य सचिव जीना रोमोंडो बैठक की सह अध्यक्षता करेंगे। उन्होंने आगे कहा कि अगले सप्ताह वाणिज्य एवं उद्योग मंत्री गोयल वॉशिंगटन में होंगे। उन्होंने अपनी समक्ष वाणिज्य सचिव जीना रायमोंडो से मिलने का मौका मिलेगा। ये दोनों मिलकर अमेरिकी भारत कमर्शियल डायलॉग और सीईओ फोरम को सह अध्यक्षता करेंगे। यह सरकार और उद्योग के बीच एक महत्वपूर्ण कड़ी है जो हमें आगे बढ़ाने में मदद करती है।
And I'm chairing Media and Entertainment Committee of this chamber and many more committees all over India and abroad. And I think it's always an exciting program when the Indo-American Chamber of Commerce plans to have this kind of international summit. We are happy that the deputy head of the mission of USA is right here, along with the commercial counselor, who is a very active person in India. We are working together. There are a large number of committees in IICC which are working together throughout the year. And imagine if you have already seen there is only a single chair which is an empty right now. People are excited. People, they really want to know how India and USA relations are developing. Because they are two biggest democracies of the world. When they're working together, trust me, the whole world is looking at us.
So, can such events are also boosting somehow the Indian economy also?
Definitely. Imagine Indians are investing in USA and Americans are investing in India. What more do you want now? So there was a time when we were complex. We were very afraid. We used to feel ashamed even talking to Americans. Today, Indians are investing money in America.
Okay.
And the day before yesterday, we had another very important officer from USA who has conducted a beautiful summit and invited Indian businessmen to come and invest in USA and vice versa.
So it is a kind of a revolution in such events can also be a kind of revolution in the Indian economy.
Well, definitely, because India is now the fastest growing economy in the world. We are the fifth biggest. We are marching towards the third biggest, and probably by end of 45, we will be the third biggest economy of the world. USA is still number one, and we still have to learn from them. Still have to work with them. There is an ample scope.
And we are excited to be here as the gold partners at the Indian American Chamber of Commerce event. This is the 21st iteration of this event, and this is a great platform for business leaders, non-governmental agencies, government bureaucrats and various other stakeholders to come together and collaborate, connect and innovate to create a joint future both for India and US economy and to bring prosperity for the people in both countries. We at Team Tops, which is the consumer brand of GD Foods, are very, very passionate about this. Our Vice Chairman, Dr. Nitin Seth, is the Regional Vice President of IICC, and he is present today at the event as well. He was on the dais where we received an award for GD Foods' work in the field of food processing. Tops is one of the most renowned consumer brands in the food space, We have a 40-year legacy. We have been around since 1984. We started as a noodle brand, and now we have over 250 SKUs across multiple categories. From a breakfast range which has cornflakes to jams to idli, dosa and sambar mixes, to our exciting range of pickles, to our culinary sauces, right down to our ready-to-cook mixes, including our dessert options where you have kulfi mix, gulab jamun mix.
Okay.
We have a marketing promise that for every meal, from breakfast to lunch to dinner to dessert, there is a Tops product, and for
Okay.
every occasion and for every festival. Not just being an Indian brand, we have a global presence in over 25 countries, which is where platforms like this are also a great opportunity for us to connect and also understand how we can bring the taste of India to the world and beyond. Here at Tops, we have one simple tagline, which is India ka top taste, and through platforms like this, we would make it Dunia ka top taste.
Today is a day where a lot of people are showcasing that is the good relationship between America and India, how it is going to help us in future. The way we think Dorinka probably will become one of the very biggest ones. And with America giving us a lot of aid and